In this video, we'll learn the tool called tab and slot. Sometimes we might have two different sheet metals and we want to join them together without using, say, some type of weld mats or welding. What we can do is create some type of slotting around this and also create an extension so that we can fit them together. Let's see how that's been done. So let's select the tab and slot option. On the left property manager, we'll have these options as you can see. Okay. We can also select the distance of how far we want to go. Let's say if you want to make a indentation of 5 millimeters, then it will go from here till here 5 millimeters and so on and so forth. Okay. By the way, I do need to mention these are two different created sheet metals, just kept perpendicular to one another. Okay, so the first thing, we need to select the edge of the sheet metal on which we'll create the tab. So we're going to select this. SolidWorks automatically picks up the 2 points that is needed for this. Now we need to select the surface on which we'll create the slots. So just select this. As you can see, it has created those slots here. Now we can define what will be the length or how many slots we want to imply. If you want to imply 10, if you want to imply 4 or maybe 6, whichever you prefer. Okay, we can also define the length. Let's see, right now the slots are much bigger. We can maybe select it to 3 millimeters, so it will change its length and also its height. So it's a perfect fit with some gaps so that we can push it through. Okay, the next option is the edge types. So we can have different edge types. Right now it's sharp edge. We can have a fillet or a chamfer edge also. So if you select the fillet edge, you will see the corners will be filleted, or if you select the chamfer, it will be chamfered. Let's say for this example, let's keep it as a fillet. We have 6 equal spacing, 6 of those slots, and once done, if you click OK, it has created those slots, right? As you can see here. Okay, so if I just remove this one for the second, here is the distinct slots you can see, sorry, tabs you can see, and if I hide this, you can see the slots here. Okay, that's all for this video.